Hey, amazing student support folks. I know you have a lot on your plate, so I just want to say first that Nicole and I really appreciate you supporting our students as a part of all the work that you're doing. So this document might look a little overwhelming, so I just want to kind of break down what we're hoping you might be able to do to help us help the students. So when you're working with an ELL student, you have a copy of this document, and the first thing you can do is find their name. These are all links that go to the student's individual page of information. And on that page, you'll see sort of like the schedule of the support that student is getting. This hasn't been updated yet based on what you guys prefer. So where it says student support, it'll have the name of like which person's coming in when. So you can always ask the student, like, what did you work on? Let's say you're coming in on Thursday with Sasha. What did you work on yesterday with Miss Leger? Or what did you work on Tuesday with Mr. Marshall? So that you know that information. And then the other really important thing is this sort of notes area down here. What we are hoping is that after you work with a student, you can put just like this little note here, the date, any important information. So like this is an email from Sasha's language arts teacher, Ms. Padishal, from the yellow schedule, that in order to pass, he needs to finish this assignment. And then my initials actually go down here. And that helps me and Nicole and the other student support people kind of know what's up with that person and follow up with them as needed. So the idea is that oldest are down here, so it's kind of easier for you all to see. And when you run out of room up here, you can just right click and insert row. So there's more space. So if you've got any questions, or if it's easier for you to just email me or Nicole directly at the end of your session, that's totally fine too. We can do this like administrative stuff on our own time, but we just want to keep track of how it's going with kids. Thank you so much.